It's giving body, Adi, okay, baby?
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now you're damaged.
Hi you all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have a beautiful, classy, okay, installed by the company Tinashe Hair. This is their glueless wig, you all. It is a 5x5 lace closure, a straight long bob, 150% density, 14 inches long. I would love to thank Tinashe Hair so much for sending me this beautiful unit right here and for sponsoring today's video. For this unit, I did bleach the knots. I did dye the unit jet black. No baby hairs as well. Straight, classy, effortless look. If you're interested in all those details and the install, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem afraid. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. Yeah. But you keep running away. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste.
You all saw that this wig today was installed completely glueless, okay? No adhesive. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. Completely glueless, and no one will be able to tell you all. You still have a gorgeous, beautiful install, beautiful style. Quick and effortless. We love that. We love to hear it, okay? Look at this glueless install, you all. This is so perfect, so quick, and so convenient. You guys can see the comb all the way down here, like, wow. Look at this. The comb is completely under there, you all. I'm absolutely in love with this long bob style. Definitely giving boss babe, definitely giving wifey. You know, I just love, love, love the style. So as always, let's go in now and like finish up the part and the lace. Going back into my Ruby Kisses in the lighter shade, I'm gonna go down the part just a little bit. And then anywhere that I over bleached, I'm just gonna like tighten up this line with my Sharpie. And just like that, the Sharpie helped to make a world of difference with the part. It is nice and defined now. Love it. And then going back in the same brush just a little bit, we're going to add some to the hairline itself. Now, as always, I love to add some hair serum, so I'm taking the Biosilk Lite. This just helps to add shine and luster to the hair, you all. It doesn't weigh it down or anything like that. And wow, you all, just look at the body on this unit, you all. This looks like my natural hair, like a natural blowout type of texture and style. So effortless. I just love this classy cut here. I love long bobs, okay? I prefer them longer. Ooh, it just does something. It just does something to me. So pretty. Also loving the no baby hair look, you all. This is like the thing, all right? So yes, you all, that completes today's hair install featuring the brand Tinashe Hair. Please let me know what you all think about this look down below. Do you have anything like it? Will you be trying this, you know, look for the fall? I'll be sure to leave the direct link to this unit down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products that I use in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.